टॉक 100.3 आप सुन रहे हैं और जैसे हमने कहा कि दिस आवर इज सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल आवर और हमारे साथ मिस्टर विजय वलीचा, चीफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफिसर at Century Financial. 13 years of experience hai inhe in trading in the financial markets with deep knowledge of both fundamental and technical analysis, and he specializes in asset management and derivative trading और हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में है.
Good morning, Vijay.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Not bad at all, Vijay. You look like a Harvey from Suits.
I wish.
Wow, what a compliment.
Do you look like that every day?
I have to.
You have to.
अच्छा, you have to wear suits, yeah?
Yeah, it's actually not a bad thing. Initially, it does be annoying, but then you get used to it.
Awesome.
It suits you, and at the same time, I think अच्छे से वैसे आपने नाश्ता वगैरह किया है. You had coffee, tea.
Absolutely.
This is Talk Breakfast with Vivek Sunil and Sobia Khan on Talk 100.3.
Yes, you are indeed listening to Talk 100.3 और आप जानते हैं कि ये जो हमारा final hour है, we save the best for the last, and this is Talk Markets, and it's powered by Century Financial Investment Consultancy and Research, and this is what we're going to talk about. तो breakfast उन्होंने कर लिया है, हम जरा financial breakfast करेंगे और साथ ही साथ आपको बताएंगे कि well, when it comes to Vijay Valicha, he is the Chief Investment Officer at Century Financial. He tracks the economic and market trends for global markets, bonds, shares, commodities, and currencies. He formulates trading strategies and also plays a key role in educating clients. So we are in that list now. Now, frequently research reports bhi batati hain, which gives an in-depth look at topical financial economic events that have the potential to impact regional and international markets. So he works closely with clients to help them understand their risk and return expectations and provide support to novice and experienced traders, HNI investors, and corporates. So Mr. Vijay looks very passionate. He is passionate. He has to be. And this is about spreading the critical message of prudence in money management, and is especially interested in the economy, behavioral finance, fintech, retirement planning, and systematic, including modeling methods, as well as short-term trading and long-term investing strategies. काफ़ी seminars में speaker भी रह चुके हैं, talking about trading strategies and technical analysis, and has been regular contributor to leading dailies, magazines, and business channels across the region. So Mr. Vijay holds an engineering degree from Mumbai University. Vijay, कुछ छोड़ तो नहीं दिया मैंने, सब कवर
नहीं है, MBA है with a specialization in asset management from Indian School of Business Management, Pune. He's also a certified financial risk manager. He plays a lot of cricket as well, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. I mean, cricket though we have to kind of play, being Indian.
वो तो है.
You know, Vijay, आपने मुझे बहुत परेशान कर दिया. मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले आपकी वीडियो देखी जिसमें it was CNBC Arabic Business Channel, and you were there. So I was like, wow, मतलब लैंग्वेज सीखना और ऊपर से you know the technical language. So मैं वेट करती रही और फिर जब आपकी बारी आई और you started talking, and then it was the lady translating. So that was interesting to see, and it's nice, you know, that when you have this much weight that people invite you, and getting to know the regional situation when it comes to finances, what are the tricks of the trade and things like that. You personally, how do you feel about it?
I feel pretty normal, मतलब कुछ different तो नहीं है. And when it comes to translating, I think required है because my Arabic is actually quite slow.
But it's there. That's
Yeah.
what matters. Okay, let's get back to business, Vijay.
And yes, we're going to talk about a lot of crypto, a lot of gold, a lot of savings, a lot of investment. And you've been in this industry for a very long time in UAE?
Yes, in UAE definitely a very long time. Overall 13 years of experience. It's not very much in the financial field, but I think it's good enough as long as you've seen 2 cycles of the economic calendar.
So this cycle, is it a scary cycle right now, the times we are living in, Vijay?
The times we're living in is called actually a bubble. So we're living in a bubble where we see that all asset classes are just going up and up together. Everything moves up. It's actually a good part to be in. It's just before the recession comes in, so that's going to be a scary time. This is a good time.
So we expected कि recession जो है वो pandemic के दौरान हो रहा था और उसके effects अब और देखने मिलेंगे. Is what you're expecting?
So the idea is we have seen certain sectors which have definitely fallen. मतलब if you
Airlines
look at
देख लो,
airlines,
hotel
hotels,
industry.
the leisure industry, they have actually taken a hit which has not come back. But other sectors like specialty technology has moved up unbelievably. The pharma sector, thanks to the pandemic,
Correct.
has really boomed up.
The technology part of it, video calling, Zoom, क्या shares इनके बढ़ गए हैं solid.
Absolutely, and not just Zoom. So the idea is Zoom ho ya Google Meet,
Microsoft, yeah.
Microsoft ho. The idea is that we have seen the technology which was supposed to come in 2025 coming in 5 years earlier.
Correct. And e-commerce भी क्या बढ़ा है?
E-commerce, especially in Dubai.
Online shopping?
For Dubai, especially, it's a huge move. I mean, my mother orders all the vegetables online nowadays. And
There you go.
That was never going to happen.
Exactly. जो 10 साल बाद होने वाला था, maybe अब हो रहा है.
कभी नहीं होने वाला था.
ऐसे टाइम में लोग पैसा अपना बढ़ाना चाहते हैं या बचाना चाहते हैं?
Well, I would say बचाना तो बहुत difficult है. Interest rate 0 पे है almost. So you're not really getting much from savings. The idea is investments are the only way right now.
और ऊपर से when personalities like Elon Musk वो आ जाते हैं और वो हिला देते हैं सारी सिचुएशन को. आप लोग उनके ट्वीट्स को लेकर क्या करते हैं? Do you follow him? Do you see what he is guiding and what he's up to?
You cannot be in the financial markets and not follow Elon Musk. Elon Musk is filling in the shoes of Donald Trump nowadays, and he moves the markets, and he's doing a really good job at it. There's no doubt he's a visionary, and what he's created is unbelievable. At the same time, there are different kinds of people who are in the markets, the investors and traders. So investors को actually tweet से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, but when we look at traders, Elon Musk is their god.
हाँ, बिकॉज मैनिपुलेटिव भी होते हैं काफी, क्योंकि एक ट्वीट उन्होंने भेज दिया और एक क्रिप्टो करेंसी शूट्स ऑफ द रूफ. अब शीबू उन्हीं के बारे में उन्होंने कह दिया, एंड देन बिटकॉइन को कह रहे थे काफी, देन डॉज कॉइन पे आए. सो इतना वॉलेटिलिटी वैसे ही है, एंड डोंट यू थिंक ही इज मैनिपुलेटिंग इट?
The idea is it's not actually manipulation. He actually expresses his opinions. Only thing is that he's such a big person, so his opinions manipulate the market.
In fact, हम अपने सुनने वालों को इस वक्त बताना चाहेंगे when it comes to Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla Motors, and Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter Incorporated, are set to discuss Bitcoin at a crypto event. ये होने वाला है अगले महीने यानी जुलाई 21st, और इस इवेंट को उन्होंने कहा है the B word.
इस इवेंट का नाम B word.
So, the Chinese state afraid of cryptocurrencies because it is afraid of delegating control and power. This is one question that comes to mind. In fact, we were off air discussing it as well. And then the next one is, what, by the way, you would say, how would you take it in the coming times when it comes to China and their take on it?
Well, the idea is cryptocurrencies are definitely a DeFi movement where they're defying all the central banks and all the governments. So it is not unknown that China will want to ban it. Not just China, I think India will definitely want to ban it. And going forward, मेरे ख्याल से हर country ना धीरे धीरे करके ban करेगी. Because cryptocurrencies are not actually a currency; they're actually the blockchain technology, and it's just a proof of concept. So every country right now we have a digital yuan coming out. So once we have digital yuan, we have a digital UAE dirham, we have the digital dollar actually established. तो क्या होगा? Cryptocurrencies will become part of the system.
Okay.
And what about this event?
Well, this event is not going to be a game changer, but what Elon Musk का जो tweet था, where he actually said that we'll dump Bitcoin because it is not a green source. Well, the idea is, I think now Elon Musk will start building supercomputers to mine Bitcoin.
So this is another issue that कि ये बहुत carbon footprint जो है छोड़ रहा है because of a lot of computer usage. So if you could just briefly explain it to us कि जब हम mining की बात करते हैं, जब हम नए coins mine कर रहे हैं, what does that entire process mean?
Well, the entire process actually means that, this is not actual mining like gold mining. This is mining through computer methods. इसमें क्या होता है that we are actually using a lot of computer energy, much more than what we use on a daily basis. So it could be, for an example, to mine a single Bitcoin, you could actually have 25 offices running.
Wow.
उतना computing network चाहिए होता है. So it definitely is not green. But I think what Elon Musk is trying to do is that he believes in the cryptocurrency, but what he does not believe in the carbon footprint. So I think he'll try to create green supercomputers, which will actually mine the Bitcoin, but at the same time not harm the environment.
इनफैक्ट ये मैनुअर भी यूज हो रहे थे टू यूके में, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, आई थिंक 2 लोग वर ट्राइंग टू माइन बिटकॉइंस और सम क्रिप्टो करेंसी यूजिंग काउ मैनुअर. तो वो
Absolutely.
भी
So,
ग्रीन वे ऑफ डूइंग इट.
Absolutely. So any energy source. I mean, definitely India में और चलेगा उसकी तो.
इंडिया में तो डेफिनेटली चलेगा. बट इंडिया में ट्रेडिंग इज इट लीगल?
So it's not legal.
इट्स
in
नॉट
India.
राइट. एंड मैं इतनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखता हूँ, मैं परेशान हो जाता हूँ. इंडिया में ट्रेडिंग लीगल नहीं है और इतने एडवर्टाइजमेंट आ रहे हैं मैच के दौरान.
So the idea is कि it's not legal anywhere in the world, but at the same time it's not illegal either.
तो ये बीच में जो इस वक्त ना आर है ना पार है, ऐसा कब तक चलेगा? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
Well, the idea is regulators are sitting on a regular basis and there will be laws soon. Slowly, we are seeing a lot of countries coming in with regulations. So, initially, it was just countries like Malta and Seychelles, but now more and more bigger countries are actually coming in with regulations. So, एक बार regulations clear हो जाएगी, then there will be actual laws for the cryptocurrency trading.
आपके पास जब लोग आते हैं, what state of mind they come with? What do you see the trend is when it comes to in their minds and this digital currency?
Well, the main reason that people actually want to do in cryptocurrencies is because actually people want to buy a lottery ticket. So that is where you have to actually draw the line and tell people कि ऐसा lottery ticket हो सकती है, but at the same time you have to be very very careful. You cannot invest all your savings into a Bitcoin or a cryptocurrency because end of the day it is a lottery ticket.
बट जिन्होंने भी लिया है, आई मीन डेफिनेटली इट्स लाइक 30-50 टाइम्स जो है वो बड़ा है. सो इट्स नॉट कि वो जो लिया है वो कम हुआ है as of now, right?
Definitely, people who have invested earlier on have made a lot of money. So that's the main difference between
Temptation.
investors and traders. So mainly क्या होता है, investors always make money because they're always holding for a longer time.
Correct.
And traders are the ones who have to be much more careful.
Have you invested?
Well, the idea is Bitcoin जैसी चीजें invest करना is very risky. So I always stay out of risky instruments.
Superb. We are going to speak to Mr. Vijay Valecha और भी we are moving on to our sports update right now.
Yes, and अगर हमारे सुनने वाले, if this tempts you with a question or two, please do not hesitate to reach us. The number is 05-8686-1003. And if you have just joined us late, this is the time you have to know that a very interesting personality. He is the Chief Investment Officer, Mr. Vijay Valecha, when it comes to Century Financial. Hamara final hour is powered by Century Financial. So he is in the studios today. We are talking markets. We are talking all things which is revolving around finance. And you are more than welcome to join us right now. Breaking into news break, and we'll be back in Talk Breakfast on Talk 100.3 with Vivek Sanil and Sobia Khan.
And Mr. Vijay Valecha. टॉक ब्रेकफास्ट आप सुन रहे हैं. दिस इज टॉक मार्केट्स थैंक्स टू सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट कंसल्टेंसी एंड रिसर्च. और हमारे साथ मिस्टर विजय वलेचा, चीफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफिसर. विजय, लवली टू हैव यू इन द स्टूडियोज वंस अगेन.
It's always a pleasure.
This is of course first time कल हमारा जो final hour था, we started with Century Financials and right now हमें समझ नहीं आ रही कि बहुत थोड़ा सा time है, making the most of it when it comes to Vijay, and he's in the studio talking about more and more crypto. And the other day somebody was asking, will crypto replace gold? Vijay, what do you have to say on that?
Well, I think gold is a different asset class completely and crypto is a different asset class completely. आज के time पे if you tell me कि what is the best investment for this month, it's definitely gold, better than cryptocurrencies.
Because the prices are rising and
Prices have fallen quite a lot, majorly because the Fed is saying that we'll hike interest rates in 2023. The idea is 2023 इतना दूर है
इतना दूर है
कि zero interest rates पे, and seeing that inflation actually बढ़ते जा रहा है. If you actually go to look at it, even in Dubai the effects are coming in. The first thing that has gone up is restaurants have become expensive
Correct.
in the last 1 year.
Apparels as well.
अभी apparels महंगे हो गए हैं. Rents have started to go up again this year. So inflation is definitely creeping in, and inflation आएगा तो gold से बेटा कोई hedge है ही नहीं.
करेक्ट. एंड गोल्ड होर्डिंग की बात करें तो इंडियंस आर नंबर वन.
Number one, I would say Indians and Chinese मतलब definitely.
So when it comes to investing, which one do you think is an easier way for people who are continuing with their investments, people who want to jump into it? How would you suggest them or recommend them that they should get into?
Well, the main idea is that everybody has to invest, and the idea is people think that only rich can invest. That is absolutely a myth. Matlab, everybody can invest no matter what the amount. It is just the risk profile changes. If you're 25 years old, you'll take a much higher risk. If you're 50 years old, you'll take a much lesser risk.
Correct.
Same way, if you have a lot of capital, you'll go for a much higher risk. If you have less capital, you go for safer investments. But investments करनी सबको चाहिए.
सबको करना चाहिए. मतलब is this coming from investment officer or is it coming from as well-being for the society.
Well-being. So हमारा at Century we always aim to educate the audience. Education is by far the most important thing. Financial industry has been around for a long time, but the education has not really seeped in. Everybody doesn't have the education. So we strive that everybody gets educated actually in the industry. And the idea is that investments don't always have to be risky. Cryptocurrency is definitely a risky investment. But there are a lot of safe investments which yield much lower, of course. But at the same time, they're much more safer, still yield much more than a bank FD rate.
For example?
For example, if you actually invest in gold also, and you just keep it for a longer period of time, it will actually yield you a decent 7 to 8% returns.
Correct.
If you're investing in something like basic bonds हो गए जैसे कि US municipal bonds, या फिर if you invest in corporate bonds like Citibank or Apple, which are companies which are too big to fail.
Okay.
They're still yielding a 5.5%. So much more than your FD rates. At the same time, you're getting a safety also, because end of the day, Apple going down is as big as any other bank going down. So it's quite safe that way.
A very interesting thing that you have just said. Now, this will open up channels for, like you said, कि कोई as such age bar nahi hai. So students can do that. Housewives can do that. I was reading a survey some time back that men are more prone to investments, where women are more prone to savings. So when you have savings, and now that you said that everybody should invest, ज़ाहिर है उसकी एक थोड़ी सी strategy change हो जाती है. So I think this is opening up channels. And how would you, entice and invite, let's say, housewives or students that where they can start, Vijay?
Well, I would say students definitely. Nowadays in college there are courses, and of course we are always there to join any college to train them how to actually invest. But at the same time, I think housewives is what actually is the most important thing. So a lot of people actually say that the men will actually control the finances. It's absolutely wrong. It's actually the woman who controls the finances. And most importantly, kya hota hai? Yes, women go more into saving, but the housewives actually are better investors than the husbands.
Wow.
Well, major reason is because husbands really love to go too fast and too aggressive, and women are more conservative by nature. That really helps them.
Superb. In fact, we know how our moms run the whole show at home.
Absolutely.
The way they would channelize each income part of it, disposable income, itna tumhe pocket money itna hoga. That's a great learning experience as well to start off with.
Absolutely. So mothers, you should not do it on Excel, but they would have it in the back of their mind.
Exactly.
Yes. Mental Excel right there in the mind. So little more on this one. I'm sure हमारे जो सुनने वाले हैं, they would also want to participate. If anyone like that, please reach us on 0586861003. How they can start, how they can go ahead. They should get in touch with you, and then there are people to guide them.
Absolutely. They can always call Century Financial. We have trainings on a weekly basis for students. We have started a new session of also for trainings just for housewives. So we are trying to educate the audience in every which way possible.
एजुकेशन की बात की तो आपका एजुकेशन में नोटिस कर रहा था इंजीनियर एंड देन MBA. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली बिकम लाइक अ ट्रेंड. काफी टाइम पहले जो इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा है वो MBA कर रहा है.
Absolutely, like Amir Khan said in 3 days, right? Engineering किया फिर MBA किया फिर बैंक में नौकरी किया. Everyone is pretty much doing that only.
Exactly.
I have to mention here, this will add further weight to Vijay, because he is UA kid. He has been here, and कुछ अपना टाइम उन्होंने I think education purposes के लिए मुंबई में गुजारा. So आपको जब यहाँ की markets पता हो, यहाँ के हर जगह की अपनी एक sensibility होती है, mentality होती है. So Vijay is very much aware of that.
Absolutely. I've been born and brought up here, so I understand how everybody goes through here, their finances also, and more importantly, how they actually think also.
Yes. क्रिप्टो की बातें जो है वो नेवर एंडिंग है. बहुत बात कर सकते, बहुत सवाल है उस पे, बट इज देयर अ प्रॉपर गाइडेंस फॉर एवरीवन दैट हाउ दे कुड प्रॉब्ली गो फॉरवर्ड विद इट विद Century Financial? Are there any videos or any courses they should look forward to?
Absolutely. There are a lot of videos we actually post. We have webinars also on a weekly basis based on cryptocurrencies.
On the website.
On the website.
You have your YouTube channel. I have seen that, which is
we have a YouTube
very
channel.
clear and very interesting. Yeah.
Absolutely. But most important, I would say a basic thumb rule is do not put all your eggs in a cryptocurrency. That's the first and the most important thing to learn is that cryptocurrency is a good investment, but at the same time, it has to be a very small chunk of your total portfolio.
विजय, अगर हम top 3 की बात करें, number 1 पे तो आपने gold कहा, right? That's a safer one.
Correct.
Number 2?
Number two, right now, I would say equities is still in a very good bull run. So equities is definitely a good investment because at the same time, bonds have gone up too much. So bonds are not the best investment source right now. I would say gold is definitely the best investment this month. Equities are still moving on the upside. And at the same time, third is real estate. Real estate also is moving up right now. So it's a really good investment.
Correct. Equities में ये होता है कि lot of people have started getting second income because of it, or they've realized कि pandemic में बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है when people lose jobs. So Indian market, UAE markets और American markets, कहाँ पे उन्हें देखना चाहिए, equities में कहाँ invest करना चाहिए?
So equities is actually a very vast field. Like you said, Indian markets hai, UAE markets hai, US markets hai. We actually cover the Australian markets, Japan markets, China markets,
Okay.
the European markets. So there's actually a lot to invest in. The idea is you have to diversify but not over diversify. So completely depends on your goals कि आप लोग को कब क्या returns चाहिए. Some people want to retire at the age of 60. Some people actually want to retire at the age of 40.
Okay.
So depending on when you want to retire or what goals you have financially is how you're supposed to invest.
Brilliant.
The third one you said real estate and UAE real estate. What is your take on it right now?
I think the prices are quite low. I mean, when we look at Dubai real estate, it's actually one of the lowest cities in the world when it comes to the price per square foot. And that is definitely about to change.
ग्रेट. आई थिंक मिस्टर विजय से हम और भी बातें करेंगे. अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल है तो आप हमें व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं 0586861003. So you breathe, you eat finance, and it's completely
Absolutely.
in you. And
It's in my blood.
so the love of numbers, how did it all began in school?
Absolutely. The love of numbers. Mainly the love of numbers. I took up engineering also because I was more interested in physics and maths. So
Brilliant, yeah, brilliant.
And your family is also into the same field. Where is the drive coming in from?
no, my family has been in the textile markets. So typical Dubai family.
Yes, awesome. Indian high school, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, Indian high school.
And do you remember your professors who taught you math?
Absolutely.
क्या नाम है उनके?
Mr. Abraham Thomas was very nice.
Wow, I think a lot of people are going to connect with you right
Yeah,
now.
absolutely.
Again, coming to you, Vijay, that लोगों को एक confidence आता है when person who is guiding you is doing it himself. When it comes to your interest in investing, you said crypto is not something you look into. Where you have invested so far?
Well, majorly, like I say, it's all age based and your profile based. So I've invested majorly in equities, and I recommend anybody who's in the 30s, to actually go into equities in a much bigger space. But at the same time, yes, cryptos का portfolio होना चाहिए, but not more than 2% of your total portfolio.
करेक्ट. नो, ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स भी काफ़ी सारे हैं, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. नो, यूके ने जो है बाइनेंस ग्रुप को बैन कर दिया है. इसके बारे में भी मैं बिजनेस न्यूज़ में बताऊंगा. इसके बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे.
एंड एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. आपने 30s की बात की, लेकिन व्हेन इट कम्स टू रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग, आई थिंक पीपल वुड नीड लिटिल गाइडेंस ऑन दैट एज वेल. सो ऑल दिस एंड मच मोर कमिंग अप इन
अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल है रिगार्डिंग क्रिप्टो करेंसी हो या इन्वेस्टमेंट्स या सेविंग्स, डू लेट अस नो. आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं 0586861003. दिस इज द नंबर टू व्हाट्सएप. विवेक सनल, सोबिया खान आपके साथ, और हमारे साथ मिस्टर विजय वलीचा, who is the Chief Investment Officer at Century Financial. Lovely to have you on the show, and it's very insightful to know about so many things, and it was a good tip जो आपने दिया about gold कि आप invest कीजिए, it'll be great. But also इक्विटीज के लिए अगर कोई टिप मांगे, जैसे हर्षद मेहता पे सब लोग बोलते हैं ना कि यार सर टिप दीजिए, तो
Definitely, the idea about equities is के don't go for tips. Always.
लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट.
Long term investment से better कुछ होता ही नहीं
अच्छा,
है.
आप भी हर्षद मेहता की तरह बात कर रहे हैं.
It is slow and steady, but then we have seen that slow and steady always wins the race.
करेक्ट.
We have to keep that in mind, that patience pays.
Absolutely, patience pays. So people think कि if I invest at the perfect time, the idea is timing is important, but उससे ज़्यादा important है कि invest किस में कर रहे हो. If you
करेक्ट.
invest in the right companies, they'll always yield returns. If you invest in the wrong companies, no matter how good timing it is, you'll always lose money.
मेरे दोस्त आजकल ना बहुत मुझे कह रहे हैं कि why don't you invest in share markets, equities, why don't you buy either ये प्लेटफॉर्म है, ये प्लेटफॉर्म है. So how do people go about that? Can they do it on their own, or is it always good to get guidance from?
It is always good to get guidance initially. At the same time, you should never be investing in something like a mutual fund.
अच्छा.
The idea is always best to learn the art yourself because it's not too complicated. Investments actually are very simple. People just actually make them complicated.
Okay.
The idea is just, get a financial advisor to guide you through, but get the investments done by yourself rather than, just investing in a fund and saying, कि यार कोई और कर लेगा. Because कोई और करेगा तो their vested interest is much more than your vested interest.
बराबर. So आप खुद करो is what you're saying.
Always.
Oh,
With
wow.
a financial advisor.
Yes, always have a financial advisor to just guide you through. But at the same time, do it yourself is the best way.
So बहुत सारे apps है, platforms है, जो इंडिया में भी है, जो यहाँ पे भी है. So are there any recommended ones which you can go for with or?
For me, to of course, I'll recommend Century Financial more than anybody else.
So Century Financial के through ही आप
Definitely.
कर सकते हो equities पे invest in.
Everything. So we actually cover equities, bonds. We actually cover cryptocurrencies, normal currencies, FX. When it comes to even commodities, we cover pretty much everything on the asset class base besides real estate. So real estate is something which we don't cover. Is something we're getting into right now.
और commodities, gold हो गए, silver हो गए. Silver went really up, I think, इसी साल.
Yeah, इसी साल.
इसी साल. So silver का क्या है prediction?
Silver का actually is moved up from 21 and 27 levels.
Okay.
But at the same time, silver का क्या होता है ना, it's a very very fast mover.
हाँ.
So it's better to stay out of silver and get into gold. Agar gold, say if you're bored of gold, then you get into something like palladium or platinum.
Okay.
Those are better investments than silver.
Because they say that जब industries are going to be back on track and सारी चीजें जो वापस चलेंगी तो silver is what is more needed for industries as well.
So silver for a short-term trade, it's definitely good because we can see it move to 40 levels also this year.
But long term के लिए it's not a good option.
Long-term के लिए gold is the play.
So we have long term, we have short term, then we also have something which is kind of
Daily.
risky, and Vijay is saying that try to be in gold rather than going for crypto, and there is the retirement plan. So how does Century Financial takes that?
So Century Financial में we actually customize retirement plans for each person because we realize कि retirement plans cannot be, or education plans cannot be कि everybody just invests in a dump. It cannot be कि everybody has the same goals. आज के time पे like I have a dream to retire in Spain. Probably you have a dream to retire in India.
Correct.
So everybody has a different retirement goal. किसी को चाहिए कि मेरे को beach house हो. Somebody wants a very lavish lifestyle when they retire. Somebody wants a very quiet lifestyle. So depending on everybody's preference now, you're supposed to custom and tailor make a actual investment plan for them.
So I mean uncertain times है. You don't know कल. I mean we couldn't predict pandemic.
Yeah.
ये टाइम पे retirement planning थोड़ा सा मुश्किल नहीं होता?
ये time पे I would say retirement planning required more than ever.
Okay.
We have just realized that life is too short, so think about that also and not just about work.
Which is
आपने-
great advice.
Indeed.
Yeah.
And education plan की भी बात की. Tell us something more about that.
So the idea is education plan is just like a retirement plan, but it's just retirement from your being a parenthood. So you're actually saying that once my kid goes off to college के मेरा dream है मेरा बेटा Harvard जाएगा तो एक बार Harvard चला गया तो फिर as a parent you have retired from that responsibility because then he has to fend for himself in life. So that is also a kind of retirement only. The idea is again goals change because everybody has a different goal of where their kids should study.
Correct.
Or what they should study. And again every kid is also different of what they want to study.
Exactly. और इतने options मिल रहे हैं आजकल.
बहुत आजकल तो बहुत options है. Earlier back in the day it was just basic
Engineering, MBA.
मतलब
CA.
इंडिया में तो आज भी वो से इंजीनियरिंग डॉक्टर के सिवा कोई भी
Doctor.
सोचता नहीं है.
Ah, correct. But now, I mean, they can specialize in whichever field they want, and
Absolutely.
technology
So-
has taken over.
That is actually a very very positive sign because when I was in school it was just basically arts, commerce, science.
Correct.
But now it's specialization into fields that you want to get into.
correct.
You could
correct.
actually take up physics with
हाँ.
actual psychology.
Wow.
And
yes.
that is amazing to actually see.
And especially when you know कि हम जो fees भरते थे comparatively to what fees the kids are paying now, it is
And-
uncomparable.
And that is I think the main reason why everybody needs educational planning because it's not a trend which has happened now. Fees has been going up, education has become more and more expensive, and given the fact that 15 years from now
हाँ.
it'll get even much more expensive.
Correct.
So you need to plan
correct.
for that expense today because if you don't plan it today it'll be a real bomb of a thing later on.
Exactly. So how do you calculate that? For example, I am earning let's say 100 dirhams right now, and I know कि वो 100 dirhams का value 5 साल बाद will be as good as 10 dirhams. So how do you plan that? मतलब कि how do you calculate that और वो inflation rate क्या होगा? Can you expect that कि हर साल इतना बढ़ेगा तो ये value जो मैं invest कर रहा हूँ अभी उसका value उतना होगा और this is the amount that I'll be getting.
Absolutely. So that's why retirement planning is very different from educational planning. Educational planning में क्या है, the inflation is much higher. Whereas retirement planning में you can have inflation levels of 3 to 4% every year बढ़ेगा.
Correct.
So you have to actually plan for 3 to 4% में कोई income बनानी है.
हाँ.
Educational planning में you know कि actual inflation is more than 25% per year. So that is what you have to plan for, and that is the most difficult part.
Most difficult. Yeah, I can imagine. क्या हो रहा होगा parents को, especially when the kids are almost going to go to UK or US.
Absolutely. And then you don't want your kid not to have that option to actually go and study whatever he wants to study.
हाँ, और दुबई से going to these places are great, right?
Yeah, Dubai से of course, and it's much more easier to go from here. एक तो you get admissions easily as compared to India. At the same time, because it's more economically feasible for people over here than back home.
Correct. Unless your kids are very scholar and scholarship मिल गया उन्हें. And how did you? Why didn't you go travel?
Well, that is everybody's dream. कि my kid will be a scholar.
Scholar.
But again, the idea is planning should always be for the worst case scenario. And not for the best case scenario. Best case scenario के लिए तो मतलब the idea is if your kid gets a scholarship, you have much more money for your retirement planning. So it's always a good thing.
Now, talking about kids, at what age we should, get into educating kids about finances and, get them into that thought process as well?
I think kids in college definitely need to have a course about finances, not just if they want to join the financial field, but also for their own finances in the future. So at the age of around 15 to 16 is where people should start.
15, 16?
Yes.
मैंने तो अभी से एक piggy bank बना दिया है for my son. He's 5 years old और मैं बोलता हूँ कि every day जितना होता है whatever pocket money you get because you clean your room or you don't make a mess out of your toys, I'll give you a dirham.
Yeah.
And he collects it. So I think that's how we start, right?
That's an amazing thing. Yeah, of course, everything actually, all education begins from home.
That's right. And when it comes to maybe suggesting books to read to start, especially if you're not into it, would you have some suggestions?
Yeah, so there are a lot of books. There's Finance for Dummies, basic, absolutely. Then there's a book from Adam Smith about the basics of economics.
Oh, father of economics.
Yeah, yeah.
Adam Smith. और ये school में पहुंचा दिया आपने तो
going
Mr.
strong.
Vijay.
So the idea is if you understand economics, you understand finance. It works hand in hand.
And I think, you must have started studying finance by the age of 5, I guess. The way...
No, actually, we started finance because I came from the engineering background.
हाँ.
So I started, I had actually taken up from my 11th standard.
11th standard. Yeah.
So I had actually taken up economics with science.
Superb. And you look pretty young as well. You must be 30?
I'm 35.
Wow. And you're not single, yeah?
And I got married last year.
Oh!
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Is your better half also in the same field?
Yeah. She's also in the financial field.
Oh, that's great. What tuning. We will speak to Mr. Vijay more. आप सुनते रहिए Talk Breakfast on Talk 100.3. This is Talk Markets. And thanks to Century Financial.
Business.
So business news में United Kingdom की Financial Conduct Authority ने कहा that Binance Group, which operates the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, is prohibited from carrying out any activity in the country without its approval. Now FCA ने ये भी कहा that no other part of the US-based Binance Group is authorized or licensed to carry out activity in the UK either. Binance is currently the world's biggest exchange for both spot and futures cryptocurrency trading, with 372 coins listed on its exchange. Or traded volume on the exchange stood at more than $13.8 billion during the previous 24 hours, compared with $3.6 billion on China-based Huobi Global, the second biggest exchange. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. Huobi. अच्छा, इसके अलावा Fast and Furious की franchise F9 made $70 million in box office receipts, the most for any movie released during the coronavirus pandemic. इतना ही नहीं, additional $37.9 million की ticket sales internationally कमा पाई F9, which has now garnered more than $405 million in total since its debut outside the US and Canada in May. As of this weekend, 80% of North American theaters were open, according to data from Comscore. So F9 is the first true summer blockbuster released in over 2 years, and all eyes were on this performance to provide a glimpse into the future of the movie theater. And that future now looks very bright and paves way for big films now in pipeline set to release in the coming weeks and months. हम बात कर रहे हैं मिस्टर विजय वलेचा जी के साथ, चीफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफिसर. यू नो, विजय वलेचा जी बोलते बोलते थोड़ा सा अलग लगता है.
You can definitely remove the G and just call me Vijay as well.
या विजय, या
इनफैक्ट अगर टाइम ना हो तो हम आपको वीवी भी कह सकते हैं.
That's a good name.
Now talking about Binance, what is your take on that with this decision?
Well, Binance is definitely the biggest player in the field. And Binance के लिए ये पहला setback नहीं है. A lot of countries have banned it earlier. A lot of countries have then reinitiated their operations. So Binance के लिए this is an ongoing field because the entire DeFi movement में we have to expect these things to happen. Countries will ban them, countries will accept them again. This is part and parcel of what they're trying to achieve.
करेक्ट, बट इट इज़ नॉट एग्जैक्टली, आई थिंक यू नो, फॉर क्रिप्टो ट्रेडिंग. आई थिंक बाकी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो उनके रेगुलेशन में नहीं आ रही है. यू नो, यूके के फाइनेंशियल कंडक्ट अथॉरिटी के रेगुलेशन में नहीं आ रही. सम पार्ट ऑफ इट, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
Well, the major part is, of course, it is
Trading.
accepting cryptocurrencies.
हाँ,
So Binance का main क्या है कि Binance is not just a fiat currency into cryptocurrency. Binance is mainly कि you can actually transfer cryptocurrency from one country to another.
Oh.
So the AML laws is the major problem with cryptocurrencies in the world. That's why regulations are being strict.
और यहाँ पे दुबई में
In the
lot of
world, that's why regulations are being strict.
और यहाँ पे दुबई में lot of people are on Binance and उनका sentiment अब hurt होगा. I mean, will there be questions arising about Binance?
Definitely, because if you're on Binance, you'll obviously think, "Okay, if Dubai also bans it, then how will I withdraw my capital?" So
ओह हो, ये तो थोड़ा risky हो गया है ये तो.
So the idea of cryptocurrency, why it's risky, is not just because the movement of the actual coins. It's also कि if the regulators don't let you take out money,
That'll be a problem.
that's definitely the biggest problem.
So are we looking into it? I mean, you know, this is going to be breakthrough news right now. अगर ये ऐसा
Absolutely. So everybody has to look into it, and there are easy ways to invest without getting into the cryptocurrencies. Also, we have cryptocurrency futures as well, which is traded or directly on the exchange, which is regulated. So people have to realize that regulated fields के through जाना is always the best route.
Oh, that's true. However, where do you see it moving in the future? Because a lot of confusion and people not accepting it, people at the same time going ahead with it. Then there are people who are in the middle of it. In the future, where do you see it heading?
Well, ideally, I am expecting a cryptocurrency bubble to be much bigger than this one. So even Bitcoin at 200,000 will not be an impossibility, or not even too far away from now.
Are you serious? I mean, they were expecting कि 100,000 होगा by year end. 200,000 तक भी पहुंच सकता है.
Absolutely, it might not
Wow.
reach this year because the bull cycle for this year probably is over.
Oh, yeah.
But then
correct,
again,
yeah.
after 1-2 years, just like how we saw in 2018, कि Bitcoin touched 20,000, went back to 3,000, and then hit 60. We might see it fall down to 10,000 again, and then see it hit 200,000 in the next bull run.
So millennials के बाद then came this Generation Z or Generation Z, or you know, वो ना बोलते क्या, I don't know, but yeah, they are more into crypto. I think it's a new form of you know, investing and savings, traditional methods. ये सबका एक portfolio बनाना is a good idea, is what you're saying, कि आप हर चीज में, you know, देखो कौन सा is better for you.
So I completely agree with the Gen Z. It is the new way of investing which will work. So it's cryptocurrency, like I said, is actually blockchain. And blockchain के लिए cryptocurrency is just a proof of concept. Eventually, every investment class that we know, including real estate, including bonds, including equities, commodities, will all come under blockchain. And they'll all be traded through blockchain. So the Gen Z is absolutely bang on correct in this.
Superb. Now, blockchain technology, I think, you know, I'm sure there are a lot of courses also which are available now to master or expertise.
Absolutely. There are a lot of courses, still not completely an established field. But the idea is blockchain is growing every day. So the early founders will obviously gain a lot of advantage.
Great. I think we're going to talk more, लेकिन इस
Yes.
वक्त हम ट्रैफिक पे जाते हैं और उसके बाद स्पोर्ट अपडेट एंड देन मिस्टर विजय वलेचा से और भी बातें. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर मिस्टर विजय वलेचा, डू सेंड इज योर व्हाट्सएप. 0586861003 is the number to send your WhatsApp.
This is Talk 100.3. Waking you up to the UAE's conversation. Talk Breakfast with Vivek Sunil and Sobia Khan on Talk 100.3.
Welcome back after the break, continuing with Talk Breakfast. अच्छा time बहुत जल्दी गुजर जाता है and really loving this tete-a-tete with Vijay Valecha, and we'll continue without wasting any further time. In fact, on a lighter note, Vijay हमें बता रहे थे that he is keenly following Euro Cup. Whom are you supporting this time?
Well, actually, I'm supporting France.
Oh, okay. Always like that, or this time?
No, this time I'm supporting France. I actually support Argentina. So in the Euro, I'm always biased towards any country which is doing well right now.
अच्छा, what do you think about Ronaldo जो उन्होंने किया था recently with the Coke का bottle and their shares falling and their value 4 billion and that was their marketing budget for a year, something like that happening to a brand and the brand coming up and saying कि it's okay, सबका अलग-अलग preference होता है.
I think it's definitely a very good move because being as fat as I am, I really like.
Vichin, you're not.
I hated Ronaldo for doing this to the
I
brand.
actually loved it because the idea is it has to inculcate from the beginning that we should not drink all these things.
Absolutely.
And a person whom everybody idolizes, something like a Cristiano, actually does that. It's always very good to see.
I think Vijay, you look at the bigger picture and also आप देखिए कि उसके बाद उनकी fan following बढ़ गई and down the line when you look back, he'll be proud of himself and his fans will be too. But now coming back to Century Financials, I cannot talk enough to encourage people that they have to think about investments. It's exciting. For some people it might be a learning point and that's where you get the confidence because हम विजय के साथ बैठे हुए हैं and the personality that the vibe that he has is comfortable. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आपके जो advisors हैं, people who are guiding you, you have to feel comfortable with them.
Absolutely. Your financial advisor is like your doctor. He's a very boring person just like your doctor is. He'll give you very big jargons जो नहीं सुनने होते हैं. But at the same time it's required because financial health is equally as important as any other.
बराबर. एंड ये एजुकेशन जो है ना ये बहुत ज़रूरी है बिकॉज ये इतना डिफिकल्ट है टू अंडरस्टैंड इज व्हाई पीपल रन अवे फ्रॉम इट. एंड डिफिकल्टी लेवल पे अगर आप कहो तो क्या होगा in 1 to 10?
Difficulty level pe I would say financial learning is actually a 1. It's the easiest thing to learn.
Yeah, because that's what he mentioned कि it's not difficult. लोगों ने उसे difficult शायद बना दिया हो. And जैसे अब ये क्रिप्टो है, लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रही ये क्या है, ये करेंसी है, इसे क्या करना चाहिए, बैन करना चाहिए, रोकना चाहिए. So there's a lot of confusion and वही होता है when you have too much of knowledge, it's difficult to channelize which path you should go with. So this is where Vijay comes into action. And talking to him, it is simple. It is open for all age groups. आप घर पर हैं, you're a housewife, you're a student. If you have little interest in it, they have proper guidance. They have classes for all age groups and I think different categories as well. So that is very, very motivating and encouraging.
Absolutely. So idea is that people actually make it difficult because every field has to be. So a doctor will call a simple headache is a very, very huge term. He'll not just say आपको headache है क्रोसिन खा लो.
I think इसके बारे में पढ़ना या इम्तिहान देना मुश्किल होगा, लेकिन समझाना might not be that challenging.
Absolutely. So it just depends on your advisor, just like your doctor, who can simplify it to the most easiest way for you. That's the most important part of it.
Really
I think
nice.
विजय आप यहाँ पर आए हैं. अब मेरे ख्याल से विवेक, we have to score, even the score कि अब हमें इनके पास जाना चाहिए और बैठना चाहिए. थोड़ी सी क्लासेस लेनी
I
चाहिए.
think विजय के पास उतना टाइम नहीं होगा. He must be a very busy man. Chief
निकालेंगे.
Investment Officer at Century Financial.
I'll always remove time for you, Vivek.
अरे
yes.
क्या बात है. How sweet of you to do that. अगर आपके पास कोई भी सवाल है तो आप हमें WhatsApp कर सकते हैं. We got a voice note and I'm sure ये definitely कुछ सवाल था but it's too much of a risk like crypto to play the voice note without listening to it. But we got a message from Karishma कहते हैं कि wanted to ask if property is a good investment and should we look to buying multiple properties to rent?
Well, the idea is real estate is a very good investment source. It has been the oldest investment source. So people should look at investments in real estate. But yes, like I said, the biggest problem of real estate is कि आप एक प्रॉपर्टी लोगे, एक तो you have to visit 100 properties. You actually have to put in the time for it. The legal paperwork is too much, and then finding a renter every year. So there are different ways to invest nowadays in real estate. जहाँ पे आप directly real estate में invest कर सकते हो through a platform.
अच्छा.
In a digital way.
Okay.
So and that what it does is कि it saves you the time, saves you the hassle, and most important, it diversifies your portfolio.
Yes.
So then instead of having just one property or 2 properties, you can actually have 100 properties. When you actually have 100 properties, you know कि at least 80 तो rent पे जाएगी.
Oh, beautiful. This is a brilliant way, I think, digitalization of real estate.
Karishma,
Absolutely.
you
And
have
Dubai is one of the foremost founders of this.
Oh, this is brilliant. I think Century Financial के साथ you should get in touch if you want to know more about
Yes,
this.
and Karishma, आपने फूल मांगा था, आपको विजय ने पूरा गार्डन दे दिया. So you have to take it further now, and who knows, next year you have a story to share. And thanks and perhaps gratitude goes to Century Finance जो
I
हमारे
think-
लिए ये आवर भी लेकर आते हैं.
करिश्मा तो उनका नाम है, लेकिन यहाँ पे विजय ने कुछ करिश्मा वाला डायलॉग बोल दिया in terms of कि digitalization of real estate, which is brilliant.
I think this is the kind of people we need, विवेक, ताकि वो हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाएं और वो जो लोगों को कहाँ से कहीं कोई एक डर लग जाता है कि ये हमारी समझ से बाहर है, वो जो एक गोस्ट है वो इसको पीछे छोड़ें, आगे बढ़ें, इन्वेस्ट इन, ज़ाहिर है उन्होंने आपको टॉप 3 बताए भी हैं, स्टार्टिंग विद गोल्ड. सो इन क्विकली एंड इन अ नटशेल, विजय, people who are just always thinking that they maybe you may not go ahead and invest, what would you like to advise them since you are here now? और फिर पता नहीं आपसे कब मुलाकात हो स्टूडियो में.
So I would say anybody who is scared to invest, right? There's no harm in learning about investments. Come and have for a free webinar, for a free coaching. Come in and learn about investments. You never know where it will take you.
Correct. And disposable income अभी इतना कम है, so it is more important कि you get educated about this.
Everybody needs a passive income
Correct.
because you have to in these times.
And everyone is going through these tough times, and yeah, I mean, Century Financial से आप मिलोगे, विजय जी से मिलोगे, so of course you will find a lot of education as well for your investments.
लोग तो उनसे मिलेंगे, लेकिन विजय हम आपसे मिले, बहुत अच्छा लगा. वी ट्राई टू कवर एवरीथिंग, फिर भी लग रहा है कि टाइम गुजर गया और
Yes.
एग्जैक्टली 11 बज चुके हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग विद अस. आई होप यू विल कंटिन्यू टू लिसन, नॉट जस्ट योर आवर दैट इज पावर्ड बाय सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल, बट अदरवाइज एज वेल. टॉक 100.3, it's a new concept, it's a new format. What do you think of it?
It's a very good concept. It's definitely something which was required because everybody listens to music most of the time. But at the same time, learning something out of it while you're traveling, it's definitely the most important thing.
Yes, so please fund आपके investments यहाँ पे भी डालिए in terms of WhatsApp.
Vijay, you just don't look great, you do great, and you talk great as well. Keep it locked to Talk 100.3.